Welcome to today's showdown, where we'll be putting two of the most highly anticipated supercars of 2022 head to head: the Lamborghini Aventador and the McLaren 720S. First up, let's take a look at performance. Both of these beasts pack a serious punch under the hood, but the Aventador takes the lead with a 6.5-liter V12 engine that produces a whopping 730 horsepower. The McLaren 720S comes in close behind with a 4.0-liter V8 engine that generates 710 horsepower. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the McLaren takes the win. Its smaller engine allows it to get an impressive 23 miles per gallon on the highway, while the Aventador falls slightly behind at a still respectable 17 miles per gallon. Now let's talk about safety features. Both the Aventador and the McLaren are equipped with advanced airbag systems and stability control to help keep you secure on the road. However, the McLaren takes the edge with its optional carbon ceramic brakes, which provide even more stopping power in emergency situations. Moving on to interior and exterior design, it's a tough call. The Aventador boasts a sleek and aggressive exterior, with sharp lines and a low-slung profile that screams luxury and power. The McLaren, on the other hand, has a more modern and streamlined look, with a futuristic cockpit and butterfly doors that are sure to turn heads. Ultimately, it comes down to personal preference. When it comes to price, the Aventador takes the lead with a starting price of around $421,000. The McLaren comes in at a slightly lower price point of around $315,000. As for maintenance, both of these supercars require regular tune-ups and servicing to keep them running at their best. However, the Aventador may be slightly more expensive to maintain due to its more complex V12 engine. Finally, let's talk about acceleration and braking. The Aventador can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.7 seconds, while the McLaren is not far behind at 2.8 seconds. When it comes to stopping, the Aventador's optional carbon ceramic brakes allow it to come to a halt from 60 miles per hour in just 99 feet, while the McLaren needs a slightly longer 105 feet to come to a stop. So, which of these supercars comes out on top? It's a close call, but ultimately it comes down to personal preference and what you're looking for in a vehicle. Both the Lamborghini Aventador and the McLaren 720S are top-of-the-line supercars that offer unmatched performance, cutting-edge technology, and head-turning style. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more showdowns.